To go to Noni's Resort in Alitagtag, Batangas from Manila, you have several transportation options. Here's a complete guide. 1 Bus via Tambo-Lipa. This is the recommended option. You can take a bus via Tambo-Lipa, which takes approximately 2 hours. The fare ranges from 449 to 590. From there, you can take a tricycle or arrange for a pickup to reach Noni's Resort Rome to Rio. 2 Bus. Another option is to take a regular bus, which takes around 2 hours and 22 minutes. The fare ranges from 1,067 to 1,417 Rome to Rio. 3 Taxi or car. You can also choose to take a taxi or drive a car from Manila to Noni's Resort. The travel time will depend on traffic conditions. Once you reach Alitagtag, you can ask the driver to drop you off at the road of Dominator,
How do we get to the playground?
From there, you can take a tricycle ride to Noni's Resort. The tricycle fare is approximately 50 travel berries. Please note that the fares and travel times mentioned are approximate and may vary depending on traffic conditions and other factors. It's always a good idea to check for the most up-to-date information and plan your trip accordingly.
Wow.
But look, it's a big chest.
It's a playground. Where's the playground?
The playground is just behind the hotel.
Wow.
But look, it's a big chest.
Here. This is a playground here. This one. Ito yung swimming pool. So, pag napunta kayo dito, ito yung playground niya. Ito yung playground. Grill house, swimming pool, Talisay cabins. Why are you wearing glasses? It's not sanit. Is it heavy? Hindi naman heavy eh.
Because I'm not stronger than this.
Tama na, let's go. Then there's a something like this. You want to ligo here, Adi? It's a giant. Metal pala siya, ano. How about this one? Ay, ginagawa. Let's go. Metal eh, no? Artificial fence. Let's go. Ready, look, oh. Look at this. This is a Venus flytrap. And then, artificial na ano. Okay. Interact with the garden. Let's go here. Let's go. Let's go down here. Tara. There's a trail here. Meron silang ano, garden. Later. Let's go down here muna. There's a lake there. Oh. Dito muna tayo. Mamaya tayo dyan. Dito na. Let's track first the ano. Oh, there's a swimming pool. Look. Wow, swimming pool.
Please don't tell me like this. We are not going to help.
Is this the weird ano? Is this the weird resort?
Yeah.
Because
It's a race time. Daddy.
mga suha.
Daddy.
Mga suha na.
Daddy. Daddy. Race time.
Later na.
1, 2, 3.
Let's ano muna. Let's try to
Bye. Bye-bye.
bye. Ikuti mo na. Adi, later na yan, ito na. Adi, look. Adi, I have to show you this. Adi, look. Come here. They have this big snake. What's that? What's that?
I don't know.
You don't know that? That's a snake. A pretty big snake. It's so big. Let's go. Nothing to see here. Let's go. Oh, they have marketed na ano, lemon. Lemon ba to? Ano? Dayak.
I don't know where. There are foods everywhere.
Hmm?
There are food everywhere.
Food everywhere.
This is where I went.
This is the swimming pool. Pretty deep down there. What animals residing here?
Try to find the zoo. Down here.
Oh, look, Adi! Adi, it's an albino snake. It's looking at me. It's an albino snake.
You hit the cobra. What's down here? Maybe we can find some snakes?
You know.
How
Hindi
cute.
ma-focus ng camera. Let's go.
Daddy,
Hmm.
how cute is that snake?
It's an albino snake. It means it has no melanin on its
What is melanin?
melanin what makes your skin dark. The less melanin you have, the whiter you get. Okay?
We're on a hunt to find snakes here, Daddy. Where are the other snakes though, Daddy?
Wow! Look at that.
Wow! It's a great view. Okay, you, Daddy?
Wait for me there. I want to take this ano.
Oh, this is abandoned. Daddy.
Hmm?
Look, I found an abandoned staircase.
Katekso. La, sa dead end. Abandoned.
Yeah.
Abandoned.
No,
Let's go.
now we're not going through there.
We're not. And there's someone residing there.
Huh?
There's someone residing there. May sariling pool yung maliit na cabin dito. Wait lang. Isang ano. Ayaw. Parang puro bubong. Hindi tao.
Parang tas na lang.
Adiha, malaglag ka dyan. Yes, there are solar panels there. Villa dito, may sariling pool din. May sariling pool pala sila, ano. Infinity pool. Let's go downstairs. Meron silang mga villa na may mga swimming pool, infinity. Maliit lang pero for privacy na rin. Maganda rin siya. Sa uphill yung ano yung resort eh. Daming pwedeng anuhan. Yan. Katawa. Ito yung pinaka-entrance niya. Lobby. So, drop off kayo dito. I really wish I have a house like this. Pwedeng gawing ano. Pwedeng gawing villa. Ano sa ano na? Bumalik na sa ano. Balik here. Tadamaan. Stairs. Siguro gusto ko dito yung billiard area. Sa tuhod. Sakit nga sa tuhod ah. Ano yung sa tuhod ko? So maganda sa Noni, meron to sa bilyaran dun sa tabi ng kanilang reception. So yun yung so sa mga naghahanap ng lugar na may bilyaran, Nonis sa Batangas. Copyright ako nito. Sunroof na tumutugtog. So yun, may aircon, electric fan, entertainment, cocktails. Okay. Ayun, tapos may CR din dito. Let's look at the CR. Yun. Okay. Good morning. We spent the night here in Nonis. So ito yung bumungad sa amin. So yun. Super ganda ng view. Kailangan naman namin ngayon mag morning routine. Narinig nyo yun. Okay, good morning again. Ito pala yung kinain namin kagabi. Yan. So nakikita mo yung mga quiz dito. Galing. Sana pagka karoon ako ng pera. So sana invest sa ganito. Ang bistro. Ito. Natin yung map. Mag-mapa muna tayo. Batangas Suites, Villa, Santa Teresita, Santa Rita. Pool area, Talisay Cabins. Ay, Talisay Cabins nakita natin kahapon. Di ko pa nakita yun, no? Kahapon. So ito yung bistro. Ipa bistro. Bakit nga yung bistro? Pero for social event siguro to. One. Ay, ito muna tayo. Tsaka na natin puntahan yan. Mga cabins din yan. Punta natin yung pool area mamaya. Nakaikot na ako kahapon dito. Di lang kami nakaakyat pala dito. Ibon siguro yan. Oo. Ito yung kahapon. Hindi lang kami nakaakyat dito kahapon. Ganda. Very calm yung dagat. Akasya. Bulaklak kayo ng akasya. Santol. Ito yung villa namin. Yan. Saan malaki tong camera to? Bili tayo ng mas magandang camera susunod. So, dito tayo banda. Ay ko, baba pala niya. Tutungtungan ko sa ano. Ang galing yan ah. Ito yung parang sa mga ano, sa mga street lights sa may kalsada, yung pag nawalan ng ilaw, may ilaw yung ano, kalsada. Yan siya. Galing eh. Actually puro ano siya, puro solar powered yung mga ano rito, yung mga villa, puro solar powered. Yan. Sarap ng ano, sarap nung usok na. Active dun ah. Sarap lagi. Ito dati feeling nung nasa province pa ako, yung malamig na simoy na hangin every time nagigising ka. Kamis. Para for 1 month pa kauwi ako sa province namin.